Hi, I'm Justin Calabrese. I'm 22 and I'm from Italy. I just found out that I was the youngest bachelor at age 22. I'm looking for the love of my life and I want to see how crazy the girls are here. You know?
Good. Are you excited for your season on The Bachelor?
Yes, I am. Actually, can't wait to find the love of my life. My past relationships haven't been great and I'm looking to change that here on The Bachelor. Preferably blondes. Blondes spice up my life. I really can't wait to give out the first impression rose. I'm looking for one specific blonde that I can give it to. Do you have any advice for me?
Yeah, have fun and look out for the crazy ones and just find the love of your life.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is The Bachelor, season 2020.
Hi, my name is Meredith. I'm a single mom of 4 boys, and my passions include spin class, Pilates, yoga pants, Lululemon, and boys. I'm most excited for The Bachelor because I just think that Justin is so cute, and I think that I'm gonna have a great connection with him, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hi, I'm Meredith.
Nice to meet you.
I drank a lot of caffeine before I came.
Not good.
Hey, I'm McKinley. I'm a dentist from Nebraska, and I love my job so much. I love cleaning teeth. Can I ask you a question really quick?
Sure, go ahead.
So, do you have gingivitis?
I hope not.
Okay, good, because I promised myself when I was little that I wouldn't date a guy with gingivitis. I mean, he's not brushing his teeth or flossing right. What else is he not doing? So,
Yeah.
It was really nice to meet you. I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Okay. What do I think of Justin? Well, he definitely flosses, so that's a big plus.
Hi, my name's Emma Begg. I'm a college student and I'm ready to find the love of my life. I can't wait to meet Justin and I think we're gonna connect just like instantly. It's gonna be perfect.
Hi, I'm Emma. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I can't wait to meet you. Wait, sorry, I'm so stupid. This really isn't
No, you're
my
not.
thing. Well, I can't wait to get to know you.
Me too.
My name is Ashley. I'm from Georgia. I love my friends, my family, and my chickens, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Can't wait to see you in there.
I just thought that Justin was the sweetest, and I can't wait to take him home to my farm in Georgia.
What's up? I'm Dana. I'm so not like other girls, so I'm gonna be the perfect girl for you. I like video games. My mom said that video games were my only friend growing up, so that's fine.
What?
So how's life in the South?
Oh, you know, it's pretty good.
Do you eat peaches?
What?
Aren't you from Georgia?
Well, yeah.
Did you know that peaches have so many chemicals on them?
No, I didn't.
I never eat peaches in my smoothie bowls.
So Justin, he's cool and all, but I'm more preoccupied by these girls. Why would he pick any of them? They're all so shallow. Ugh, why am I here?
Hi, my name's Emma, and I dropped out of college, but partying just became too much of a lifestyle for me. But that's okay because my daddy gives me his money anyways, so it's perfectly fine. But hopefully I can win, what's his name again?
Justin.
Oh yeah, Justin's heart, but yeah.
Hi, I'm Emma, and I'm from California. I'm the girl of your dreams, but I'll see you inside.
See ya.
I'm Sarah. I own a candle business, Serenities by Sarah. I'm really excited to meet you and get this publicity.
Good to meet you.
I'm just more excited to be here for the business opportunities. Serenities by Sarah candles, they'll be in Walmart soon. Look on every single shelf.
A lot. Because
Good evening, ladies.
Hi, Justin.
How's it going?
Good. I'm so excited to be here.
But anyways, I think we should go and talk over there if you want.
Let's go.
did you just see what Emma did? She stole Justin from me and Sarah.
Really?
Stole, yes.
Oh gosh.
I think she was just trying to get to know him better.
I don't think so. She's a snake.
Hey Justin, how's it going?
How's it going?
Good. How are the first impressions with the ladies?
Well, I really enjoyed talking with all the ladies.
You ready to give your first impression, Rose?
Yes, absolutely. Cannot wait.
Follow me.
What was that? Ladies, he's coming.
Hello, Hello, ladies. One of you will receive the first impression rose of the night. Best of luck.
The first impression rose goes to a lady who at first didn't see much to me, but then later on in the night, I thought that she could be the one that I could eventually meet up and marry. The first impression rose goes to Emma.
Oh my gosh, I'm so honored.
That Emma.
Get the camera out of my face. I'm just so upset that he didn't pick me. I wasted so much time and money. But like, I mean, it's my daddy's money, so it's okay. But like, still, I just don't want to be seen crying on national television. It's ridiculous.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thanks for tuning in. For extended clips and interviews, stay tuned. We'll see you next week. Good night, Bachelor Nation.
Hi, I'm Emma. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I can't wait to meet you. Wait.
No, that was really good. You should have went with it.
Hey.
Yeah. Do you think that's too corny? She was late at the end of my call. Blondes are what spice up my life. I cannot wait. Oh, I messed up. I just see everybody like this.
I ended it, Sarah. Okay. Oh, I'm bad. Blow bubble. Oh, it was bad. Okay, I'm not even gonna blow a bubble then.
Just how about two really?
Hey, I'm McKinley.
Wait, so we'll just edit that and then. Okay, read it.
2, 1.
Just go for.
No,